we have a new project starting. For those looking for an update on the Mattel versus M86 toys or Mattel versus small business, I will get you an update on Monday. But for now, we're going to switch gears back to some fun stuff. So let's talk about the new project. And this one's on a little bit of a short schedule. I've only got about 2 weeks to get it done, but it is going to be awesome. So I was contacted by the fundraising arm of St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. If you're curious about my background with St. Jude, go to wiki.polymaker.org and you can read the story on the cover of my background with St. Jude. But St. Jude came to me, or ALSEC came to me, and they said, we want you to make a replica statue that we can carry around to all these different places and use it for showing people a little bit of Memphis. For those of you that did not know, Memphis is where the main St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is and where it was founded. So anyways, when you walk into the entrance of St. Jude, you are welcomed with this massive statue of the Saint Jude. That is what I get to recreate. So St. Jude, or ALSAC, has given me a 3D scan of that statue. I'm doing a little bit of cleanup tonight and then starting to 3D print it tomorrow. Now, when I say I'm 3D printing it, I am 3D printing it. Now there's a few machines not in the background there, but that is 26 3D printers. My goal is to have this whole thing printed in less than 72 hours. Now you might be asking yourself, what am I going to be printing it in? Well, I am going to be printing it in Polymaker lightweight PLA, which is a foaming PLA meant to be lightweight. And since this is going to be a mobile thing, I want it to be lightweight for the people that might be moving it around because they may not have muscle to always set it up. So I want the average person to be able to set it up. So stay tuned on this fast track journey as I build this massive 9.5 foot structure.